Cheers foodies! Today we're going spicy and we're doing it quick. Going to be doing chipotle paste or chipotle sauce for some people. What is chipotle paste? Essentially, it is chipotles ground with a little bit of moisture and some added ingredients. Chipotles are smoked, dried, ripened or red jalapenos. So our chipotle paste is a richly flavored chili paste with a deep, earthy, smoky flavor that lends incredible taste and depth to anything you use it with. You can use it as a condiment, you can use it as a cooking ingredient, as a marinade, as a topping. There are so many possibilities with this paste. So our chipotle paste recipe. The bulk of the recipe is made with chipotles. Chipotle, as mentioned, is a jalapeno, a dried jalapeno. Now jalapenos are not spicy chilies at all. They score an average 5,000 on the Scoville scale. So anything from 2,500 to about 8,000 units on the Scoville scale. So, if you're making this chipotle paste along with me, you could, if you want to really increase the heat, make it a really spicy chili paste, add a little of whatever dried chilies you fancy, whether it's a super hot chili like a naga or a scorpion or a reaper, that's completely up to you. So in my case, I don't do super spicy. I may have grown the odd super spicy chili in the past, but it's not really my thing. So what I do is I add 2 or 3 or a handful, depending on my mood, of dried chili dabble or arbol chilies, A-R-B-O-L. Their heat index is between 15,000 to 30,000 Scoville units. So some of you may think that's medium or even mild, but that's just about right for me. So I add a few of those. What I also like to do is add 1 or 2 anchos or pasilla, super mild chilies, to add flavor as well as bulk in my chipotle chili paste. You don't have to do this. You can just go with the simple chipotle, without any spicy, without any bulk. Just plain and simple chipotle chilies in there. So that's the chili taken care of. Now besides that, we've got a couple of cloves of garlic, the juice of 1 lime, and to complement the earthiness of our chipotle paste, I like to add a pinch of cumin. Not this whole amount, just a tiny pinch to enhance the earthiness of the recipe itself. Then of course you have your salt, you have a little bit of sugar and a little bit of water to help you grind down those chilies into a paste. Now that's it. That's all you need to make chipotle paste. However, I take it a step further. I lightly cook our chipotle paste for the briefest of times to deepen the flavor even more, and then when we're done with the heating of the chipotle paste, we add a touch of balsamic vinegar for added tang and also depth of flavor. How do you store your chipotle paste? Place it in a sterilized jar. Now it'll keep in the fridge for 2 weeks, a week to 2 weeks. Top it with a layer of oil, you will extend that to the 2 weeks. However, if you want to make your chili paste, your chipotle chili paste last longer, the best method is to pressure can your chipotle paste. You can do a Google search. I don't have a post on that. Do a Google search and you will find instructions on that. That's the best way. The other way would be your standard traditional water bath. Again, I don't have a post on canning on my blog. Hopefully one day I'll get around to it. But in the meantime, do a Google search to find out how you can successfully give your chipotle paste a water bath. In the meantime, let's get our aprons on.